A guide to workforce management automation. Imagine stepping into a world where the endless cycle of mundane and time-consuming tasks is lifted off your shoulders. That's workforce management automation. Workforce management automation is about using technology to handle repetitive tasks. Time and attendance, scheduling, leave requests, all can be streamlined. By automating, we're not just cutting down on the hours spent on admin tasks. We're freeing up time for what truly matters, growing the business and focusing on staff well-being. Accuracy is another important aspect of automation. Say goodbye to the headache of manual errors. With automation, whether it's forecasting or budgeting, you're getting precision that manual processes can hardly match. This means better decisions are made faster. By removing the drudgery of repetitive tasks, can significantly boost the work atmosphere. Happier employees are more engaged and more productive. It's a simple equation that leads to better outcomes for everyone. So what can you automate? From AI-driven rosters that ensure optimal staffing, to real-time pay calculations that ensure everyone gets paid accurately and on time. It's about getting the right people in the right place, at the right time, with minimal fuss. But it's not just about the tech doing its thing. Self-service features empower employees. They can manage their schedules, request time off, and check their hours, all with a few clicks. It's about giving control back to the workforce, making life easier for everyone. If you want to find out more about the subject, or want to talk to us about our technology, get in touch.